had a blast learning about functions, about discrete and continuous functions, didn't we? Okay, so we're going to continue on doing that in the homework. Remember, I'm not going to write all this down. Remember the difference between discrete and continuous. Discrete only had whole number values, and discrete had all real numbers in it, didn't it? So like the gas in your car would be a continuous function. The amount of money you make, let's say you're washing cars and you get $8 for every car you wash. That would be discrete because you would never have like $8.50. You would go from 8 to 16 to 24, okay? That's the difference between discrete and continuous. So let me record this, or all this talking is useless, as I've learned today. Okay, we are recording. Oh. So we're going to start working on this. I am not going to do all these problems for you. Let's go through and graph these. Remember, your x's are your y's, and let's put that over here. So if you had an ordered pair of x comma y, that would be your domain, and I'm going to abbreviate and range with it. And we're going to have to plot these. Just plot these ordered pairs right here. Notice that this graph right here, a vertical line will cross that twice, won't it? So this won't be a function because one of your x's is repeating. So let's write down our ordered pairs. So our first go from left to right would be 1, 2, 3, negative 3, comma 1. And then we would have negative 1, comma negative 1. I'm going from left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0, comma 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, comma 3. And then 3, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, comma negative 4. Okay, so my table of values, negative 3, negative 3, 1. Negative 1, negative 1, 0, 8, 3, 3, and 3, negative 4. So in your table of values, you just put your x's on the left, your range on the y. Pretty simple stuff. Okay, and now then let's write down our domain and range. Remember, you use braces, and you're going to write negative 3, negative 1, 0, and you only write down 1, 3. And I could draw a better brace than that. And you use braces. Jiminy crickets. Okay, so you use braces to represent your domain and range, and you only write down each one once, and you put them from smallest to largest. So my range, I need to reorder this. It's going to be negative 1, or negative 4 actually first, and then negative 1, and then 1, comma 3, comma 8, and use a brace, right? This would be a discrete function. Okay, and is it a function? No, and you would write down the x's repeat, right? And let's just write that down. The x's repeat. That's why it's not a function. This is your homework. I just did this whole first problem. You're basically going to reproduce this on these. Okay, so the next one here, remember your domain is your x, your range is your y, and I'm going to start you off on this one. So my domain, let's underline them. My smallest domain is negative 3. My next one is 4. Then I have a 7. The 8 repeats, right? And you put these in braces. And I would circle the 8 twice. That makes it not a function, right? Your range, put a largest to smallest. So negative 9 is the smallest. My next smallest is 2, and then 5, and then that's it, right? So that's my range, isn't it? Is it discrete or continuous? You don't know if it's continuous because of the table. You're going to circle discrete, and it is a function. No, the x's repeat. Okay. Same thing on number 6. Number 7, piece of cake. Number 8, write down your domain and range from the table. You should be able to do that. Number 9, write down your domain and ranges. You should be able to do that. Number 10, you're going to turn this table into ordered pairs, right? So on the table, at cost emission, okay. So let's do this last one together. So our ordered pairs would be 1, comma 28, 2, comma 50, 3, comma 80. These do not, like this is weird. They're not growing about the same amount. And 4, comma 100. Okay, the domain, you would put a brace and put 1, 2, 3, 4. The range would be what? 28, 50, sorry about my handwriting, 80, 100. Is it discrete or continuous? Think about this. You would never pay like $10 in this, would you? You're only going to pay for a ticket, so you're not going to pay the money in between it, are you? So this would be a discrete, and it is a function, okay? So, you have a great homework assignment about function and domains and ranges, about discrete and continuous. This worksheet, almost all of them are discrete. Remember, in a continuous function, you're constantly going to be earning the values, or the values will be constant and will have all real numbers in it. Let me stop recording here so I can get this going. And let me end my meeting. Oh, okay. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember, you were created to do wonderful things. You're amazing and you are awesome.